Guys, today I want to talk to you about audio. Can you hear me well right now? Well, I don't know. Right now I'm recording this video on a little iPhone mini 12. The audio is being picked up by the camera and I'm not sure the quality is great. Today's video is gonna be about the Ulanzi J12. It is a wireless microphone. It has a capacity of connecting to iPhones and Android devices via USB-C or Lightning port. Today we're gonna review this bad boy. Let's do it! So this microphone right here has a range of 10 to 20 meters. That's quite good because you can be recording the video in another room even, and the microphone is going to be picking up. It comes with two microphones, so it's perfect for doing things like podcasting or interviews. It has a noise reduction of up to 3 levels, so you can use this microphone to record videos outside without any problem. It has a battery capacity of up to 800 milliamperes, which means that this is a really good power box. Like, you can put your microphones in there. In 20 minutes, they're fully charged. One of these microphones works for up to 5 hours. This is an entry-level microphone with a price tag ranging from $30 to $50 or around 40 euros. So without further ado, let's unpack this bad boy. All right, let's do this. What do we got here? With that, there we go. We have a nice plastic box with a logo in the front. It's quite light. The material feels a bit cheap. Not exactly a premium brand. We have here a USB-C port. Let's see how they look like. Okay, nice. I see that this one is charging because I was using just a little bit the receiver of the signal. And right here we have two pairs of microphones. They can be charged externally and they can be charged inside of the box itself. Standard USB-C to USB-A cable to charge your box and your microphones. So what is quite interesting about this receiver is that the fact that there is a lightning port right here that you can connect a lightning port cable, and you will be able to charge your phone through the receiver without stopping your video. This is pretty cool. It's a very great idea. As you can see right now, he's blinking. As soon as I connect the receiver to the phone, the green light stabilizes. That means that the microphone is active. Another cool little detail that is worth mentioning about this microphone is that the box and the microphones itself, when they're put inside, there is this magnet effect. They just fit in, and also the lid closes perfectly. I've been using these microphones for a few weeks now, and what I really like about them is how practical they are. They easily attach to your shirt or your jacket with the clip. Also, I like that they're really small in size, so they don't look weird while you're shooting your videos. Also, a thing to notice is that the package is small and it fits the pocket of your pants, or you can easily put it in your backpack. So this makes these microphones a must-have for a traveling vlogger or someone that is on the go with the phone and would like to make some videos with great audio quality. So with all that, let's take this microphone and head to the park, where we can really test it out in the open and see how the audio changes. What you hear right now is a recording without the microphone. So the camera is picking up a lot of noise of the park, birds, cars passing by, children screaming. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna attach the microphone to the phone and see the difference. So now we have the microphone connected to the phone, recording, and it's set in noise cancelling level 1, which is designed for indoors. So why don't we go to mode 2 and see how well it behaves. When you change the noise cancelling mode by pressing one time in this button, you will see that the green light blinks. And if it blinks twice, it's obviously noise cancelling level 2. I will press again, and we're switched to noise cancelling level 3. Final test. I'm on the street right now. I'm gonna jump on top of a bike, and we're gonna see if these microphones are good. They're just a little bit good. This is the real deal. Wind, street noise. I'm riding without my hands. It's a bit dangerous. Hey, let me ask you something. Can you hear the difference of the audio? Do you remember the beginning of the video when I was recording on the phone? I think the difference is just boom, mind-blowing. The quality of the audio is super good. Definitely recommend you guys getting a microphone like that if you're a bit short on money, you don't want to spend too much money, but you still want to start YouTubing. Just get a microphone like that, it's perfect. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. This is it. It was a big pleasure making this video for you guys. And if you would like, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be posting videos regularly on freelancing, programming, and work efficiency. Basically all things related to coding. Bye.